p.m. Central Daylight Time. The National Weather Service in Milwaukee, Sullivan has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Walworth County in southeastern Wisconsin, southeastern Rock County in south-central Wisconsin until 1:45 p.m. At 1:03 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 6 miles southeast of Orfordville to Cherry Valley, moving northeast at 50 miles per hour.
Oh yeah.
Hazard, 60 miles per
We
hour
cooking.
with gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Janesville, Beloit, Whitewater, Elkhorn, Sullivan, Lake Geneva, Milton, East Troy,
Oh yeah, we will. Oh, it's so pretty.
Pale Lake, Potter Lake, Howard Lake, and Irvington. People attend and visit the Marvin Gym. Take shelter immediately. For your protection, interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect.
It's so pretty.
This is dark red.
Yeah, this is giving me major, what do you call it? Just summer storm vibes. A good time to panic.
I'm surprised they're even still out there.
Yeah, I know. They're gonna have to skedaddle because that's
They're probably.
this is some heavy rain.
Poplar Grove, Candlewood Lake.
You should have seen it like 1 minute ago. It looked really cool.
Cherry Valley, Timberlane, South Beloit, Roscoe, Garden Prairie, Belvidere, Cape Rock, and Rockford.
It's coming now.
For your protection, move to an interior room
Oh, yeah.
on the lowest floor of a building. The following is a special weather statement from the National Weather Service.